and refrigerator water filters provide fresh and clean water, affordably and conveniently. After extensive research and review reading, I have compiled a list of best-in refrigerator water filters from top brands to help you make an informed purchase. The list includes products with varying features, benefits, and prices. Check out my description for further information on pricing and product details. Watch the video to discover which in-refrigerator water filter is right for you without delay. Number 1. GERPWFE Refrigerator Water Filter. Are you looking for a high-quality refrigerator water filter that is easy to install and reduces harmful contaminants in your drinking water? Look no further than the GERPWFE Refrigerator Water Filter. This filter is compatible with select GE French door refrigerators and works with any refrigerator that currently uses GERPWF or RPWFE filters. The GERPWFE filter is designed to reduce flavor-impacting impurities such as chlorine and lead, as well as other contaminants like 5-trace pharmaceuticals, 99% of perfluorooctanoic acid and perfluorooctane sulfonate. The filter cartridge is easy to replace without tools or water turn-off required, and should be replaced every 6 months or 300 gallons for best filtration results. With the GERPWFE refrigerator water filter, you can enjoy clean, great-tasting water every day without any hassle. Upgrade your refrigerator's water filtration system today with the GERPWFE filter. Number 2. Whirlpool Every Drop Refrigerator Filter 2. Are you tired of having to constantly buy expensive bottled water just to get clean drinking water? Look no further than the Whirlpool Every Drop Refrigerator Filter 2. This filter is the only one approved by major brands such as Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and JennAir. Plus, it's certified to reduce 99% of lead and 28 other contaminants like pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and waterborne parasites. So, you can have peace of mind knowing that you and your family are drinking safe and clean water. And replacing the filter every 6 months is a breeze. Simply twist and lock the filter in place, and you're good to go. And don't worry if the packaging looks different from what you see here. So, if you want to enjoy clean and fresh tasting water straight from your fridge, choose the Whirlpool Every Drop Refrigerator Filter 2. It's the perfect solution for your home. Number 3. Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter, Carbon Block Filtration. Looking for a reliable way to ensure fresh-tasting water from your Samsung French door side-by-side refrigerator? Look no further than the Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter. This filter is designed to reduce up to 99% of harmful contaminants in your water, so you can enjoy clean and healthy water with every sip. Plus, installation is a breeze, and the filter lasts for 6 months. And with genuine Samsung filters, you don't have to worry about the risk of flooding or water damage to your refrigerator and home. Samsung's genuine filters are guaranteed to work correctly with your refrigerator, giving you peace of mind and ensuring safe and reliable filtration. So, if you want to enjoy fresh-tasting water and the peace of mind that comes with using genuine Samsung filters, choose the Samsung Refrigerator Water Filter for your home. Number 4. LG LT1000P Refrigerator Water Filter. Looking for a reliable and effective water filter for your LG refrigerator? Consider the LG LT1000P Refrigerator Water Filter. This genuine LG part provides cleaner, fresher, and better tasting water and ice for your family. It's NSF certified and reduces contaminants such as pesticides, chemicals, and detergents. Plus, it removes 99.99% of cysts, 99% of asbestos, and almost all mercury, lead, and benzene. It also removes some herbicides, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and insect repellent that can be found in water. The filtration certification per NSF standards NSF 42, NSF 53, and NSF 401 ensures high-quality drinking water. Installation is easy as it is a genuine LG replacement part. With the LG LT1000P Refrigerator Water Filter, enjoy safer and healthier drinking water. Number 5. S5 More 469690 Replacement Water Filter. Do you own a Kenmore refrigerator with a water dispenser? Then you'll want to hear about the Kenmore 469690 Replacement Water Filter. This filter is designed for select Kenmore side-by-side, bottom freezer, and top freezer refrigerators, and it's recommended to replace it every 6 months. But don't worry, it's easy to install with no special tools required. Plus, it eliminates the risk of leaks with built-in plugs. And the best part. The Kenmore 469690 is a functional equivalent to prior parts, including 9690. So you can trust that it will work just as well. Upgrade your Kenmore refrigerator with the Kenmore 469690 Replacement Water Filter today. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.